Welcome to part 7 of our detailed Microsoft Word tutorial series. In this installment, we'll delve into some powerful features that can greatly enhance your document formatting and organization. Specifically, we'll explore how to work with captions, create a table of figures for easy referencing, and master the art of generating and updating an index. Captions are essential for labeling figures and tables in your documents, ensuring clarity and professionalism. You'll learn how to insert captions, customize their labels, and position them precisely where you need them. Next, we'll tackle the creation of a table of figures, a handy tool for automating the listing of your labeled items. This will save you time and effort when referencing figures and tables within your documents. And last but not least, we'll guide you through the process of creating an index. Indexing is a valuable skill for organizing large documents, making it easier for readers to find specific words or phrases quickly. You'll discover how to mark entries, insert the index, and keep it up to date as your document evolves. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply looking to enhance your Microsoft Word skills, this tutorial will provide you with practical knowledge that can be applied to various document creation scenarios. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of Microsoft Word. It seems like you're interested in working with captions and creating a table of figures in Microsoft Word. Captions are typically used to label figures, tables, or other objects within a document. Here are the steps to describe captions and create a table of figures in MS Word. 1. Insert a caption. To add captions to figures or tables in Microsoft Word, follow these steps. Place your cursor where you want to insert the caption, usually below or above the figure/table. Go to the References tab in the Word ribbon. Click on the Insert Caption button in the Captions group. In the Caption dialog box, you can select the label, e.g., figure or table, from the Label drop-down menu. You can also add a specific name or description for the figure/table in the Caption field. If needed, you can change the position of the caption, above or below the figure/table. Click the OK button to insert the caption. 2. Insert table of figures. Once you have added captions to your figures and tables, you can create a table of figures to list them automatically. Place your cursor where you want to insert the table of figures, usually at the beginning of your document. Go to the References tab. Click on the Insert Table of Figures button in the Captions group. In the Table of Figures dialog box, you can customize the appearance and formatting of the table. Click the OK button to insert the table of figures. 3. Update table and cross-references. If you make changes to your captions or add new figures/tables, you'll need to update the table of figures and any cross-references to ensure they reflect the latest information. To update the table of figures, simply right-click on it and select Update Field or click inside it and press the F9 key on your keyboard. To update cross-references, e.g., if you referred to a figure or table in your text, select the cross-reference, right-click, and choose Update Field or press F9. This will ensure that your table of figures and any cross-references are kept up to date with the content of your document. By following these steps, you can work with captions, create a table of figures, and update cross-references in Microsoft Word to effectively manage and reference figures and tables in your documents. You need to mark the words or phrases in your document that you want to include in the index. Here's how you can mark entries.
Click anywhere
Open your
within the
Microsoft
index
Word
to select
document.
it. Go to
Select
the
the word
References
or
tab.
phrase that you want to include
In the Index group, Click on the
Go
Update
to the
Index
References
button.
tab in the Word ribbon.
This will immediately update
Click
the
on the Mark
index based
Entry
on
button
any
in the
changes
Index
you've made
group.
to your document or the
This will
marked
open the
entries.
Mark Index Entry dialog box. In the Mark Index Entry dialog box, you can modify the main entry, which is the word or phrase you selected. You can also specify a sub-entry if needed. Choose options like Page Number Format to determine how the page numbers will appear in the index. Click the Mark button to mark the selected text for inclusion in the index. Repeat these steps for all the entries you want to include in the index. 2. Insert Index. Once you've marked all the entries you want to include, you can insert the index into your document. Here's how. Place your cursor where you want to insert the index, typically at the beginning or end of your document. Go to the References tab. Click on the Insert Index button in the Index group. This will insert the index into your document. 3. Update Index. If you make changes to your document or add new entries, you'll need to update the index to reflect those changes. Here's how to update the index. Index will now be updated with any new entries or changes you've made to your document. By following these steps, you can create an index in Microsoft Word, mark entries for inclusion, insert the index into your document, and keep it up to date by updating it as needed. This can be very useful for creating an organized reference section in your document. Thank you for joining us in Part 7 of our Microsoft Word tutorial series. We hope you found this tutorial informative and that it helps you become more proficient in using Microsoft Word for your document needs. Stay tuned for Part 8, where we'll continue exploring new features and techniques to make your word processing tasks even more efficient and effective. Whether you're a seasoned Word user or just getting started, there's always more to discover and master in this versatile software. If you have any questions, feedback, or specific topics you'd like us to cover in future tutorials, please feel free to let us know. We're here to assist you on your journey to becoming a Microsoft Word expert. Until next time.